gonna go 4 ounces of baby leaf spinach. That's your first layer. Second layer, 4 ounces of brownie green sour apples. Four ounces of white grapes. 1 more ounce of baby leaf spinach. Ounce of fresh diced pineapples. And to top it off, 1 fresh aloe vera core. It's fresh aloe vera, the flesh of aloe vera. Put it in, throw some water in there. Use some coconut water if you like. J.I. King's Power Up drink. Your mason jar. That's it right there, shorty. Trying to tell you that's it. Yes, sir. NutriBullet gets you right. Alrighty.